For years, they lived without recognition.
For decades, we never even knew their names.
For 150 years.
We have waited for our ancestors to be acknowledged.
有成千上万的人
More than 12,000 Chinese people, too undervalued to be recorded by name.
They worked to build the Transcontinental Railroad, risking their lives to carve a path through the granite of the Sierra Nevada mountains.
Yet, their efforts were never rewarded. Their achievements were never told.
Today,
Today,
it is our responsibility
Our responsibility.
to pay respect to those efforts.
By honoring the history of our ancestors,
we are acknowledging the debt owed to the generations that came before us.
Even though the workers are not alive today, their stories live on in us.
in us.
in us.
On the 150th anniversary of the Pacific Railway, our first transcontinental railroad,
We celebrate the collaboration and sacrifice that allowed this nation of many people to unite as one.